Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to hide like count on all Instagram posts. Okay, first thing that you need to do is of course subscribe to our channel. After you have done that, go to your Instagram profile and right here click on these three lines located on the top right of the screen. Click on it. Scroll down all the way down until you see like and share counts. Click on that. When you are here, just click on this hide like and share counts, of course, and turn it blue. After you have done this, you will not see any likes or share counts on any posts on Instagram. And if you want to do this on your own posts, you need to do this post by post. You can't just click one button and enable it all. You need to go post by post. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope that you find it useful. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Until next one, bye.